Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring some amazing kitchen home gadgets that can make cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced home chef, these smart tools can help upgrade your kitchen experience. Let's start with the electric vegetable chopper. This handy gadget quickly chops onions, vegetables, and herbs in seconds, saving both time and effort while preparing meals. Another must-have gadget is an automatic soap dispenser. It keeps your kitchen more hygienic by allowing touch-free operation, helping reduce the spread of germs. For coffee lovers, a smart coffee maker is a fantastic addition. Many modern models allow you to schedule brewing times directly from your smartphone, ensuring your coffee is ready when you wake up. A digital kitchen scale is also incredibly useful. It provides accurate measurements for baking and cooking, helping you achieve perfect results every time. Next, consider a portable blender. This compact gadget is perfect for making smoothies, protein shakes, and fresh juices at home or on the go. An air fryer has become one of the most popular kitchen gadgets in recent years. It allows you to prepare crispy and delicious meals using much less oil than traditional frying methods. Don't forget about smart food storage containers. These containers help keep ingredients fresh for longer and make kitchen organization much easier. Finally, a touchless trash can add convenience and cleanliness to any modern kitchen. With automatic opening sensors, you can dispose of waste without touching the lid. These innovative kitchen gadgets not only save time but also make daily cooking tasks more convenient and enjoyable. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed these kitchen gadget ideas, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more home improvement and smart living inspiration.